If you're into futuristic tech, you're gonna wanna see this. This is weird. It almost looks like a production sample, property of working group, no unauthorized use. Some kind of strap, like a very robust, clicky strap. Or strap-like accessories and a very shiny finish on the outside of this pouch. I don't know if this is tech or fashion at this point. This is a pen. FCHUJ? Oh, check out the cryptic pattern on the back. USB-C cable to charge it. Ooh. How about this packaging for a power adapter? 130 watts. Now the main attraction. ROG reality modeling tool. The graphic continues. FC upside down. So does the jacket. A device that you wear? Look at this guy. It is producer mode, briefcase mode, shoulder mode, inter-ops mode. Cyberpunk type situation over here, okay. Wow. It's an extremely rugged computer. Look at the bumpers on this thing. Holy. ROG Flow Z13. ACRONYM logo down here. That, of course, is the collaboration. This is all machined. All of these grooves and grills. Huge feet for it to sit on. These look like where you're going to attach your variety of straps for carrying. And since so much of the device is exposed, that's why they've made it so robust. Because you're gonna be walking around essentially wearing this with no need for any kind of external case. ROG expansion port, so you can hook it up to an external GPU, even though you can get a 4070 in here. There's Thunderbolt, the fine details and engravings on here. Clicky power and volume, USB-A and analog audio. And we flip it down. Oh, that's a kickstand. Check it out. It might be one of the most cyberpunk looking devices I've ever featured. This is straight out of a video game. Multiple magnetic angles for you to have your keyboard. They've gotten creative with the keys themselves, bringing that kind of cryptic branding through. It's also backlit, and you can see some of the function keys for multimedia up above there. Large front-facing camera. They sent another box. You can see your different keyboard options here. Productivity versus gaming. A surprising amount of key travel for, and like a decent size as well. Okay, so this thing is wild. Let's get it hooked up and see how we're supposed to wear it. Oh, those are satisfying mechanical snaps. You don't need a separate laptop bag or any bag. You're kind of ready for whatever. So rugged. Briefcase mode. Well, that's pretty obvious. Just like this. Next up, producer mode. I'm out in the field, just typing things in. I got my pen inputs over here. I'm getting work done. I'm tactical. This thing's wild. Right here, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4000 series, 13th gen i9. The display is QHD 165 Hertz. You have it engraved, so you'll never forget. $3,000 bucks. Buying or selling?